Little storyteller.
Barnaby the bear, with his button eyes and a patch on his knee, gathered his friends. "We need an adventure," he whispered. Flora the fluffy bunny, whose ears always flopped just so, hopped excitedly. "Where shall we go?" Zoom the speedy race car, bright red with shiny wheels, zoomed forward. "Let's explore outside the playroom." Barnaby pointed to the big laundry basket. "Our skate pod." Carefully they all climbed in. With a gentle push, the laundry basket began to slide down the stairs. It wasn't scary, just a fun bumpy ride. They landed softly on the rug at the bottom. "We made it!" cheered Flora, her fluffy tail twitching. Zoom zoomed around the living room, exploring the big soft couch and the interesting patterns on the curtains. Barnaby saw a toy box filled with colorful blocks. "Look!" he exclaimed. "More friends to play with." They all agreed that making new friends was a wonderful part of any adventure.
Please subscribe. Thank you.